Stop the smartphone shuffle. Let's get those PDFs from your computer to WhatsApp in seconds. First things first, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop application installed on your Windows or Mac computer. If you don't, download it from the official WhatsApp website. Open the WhatsApp application and select the chat where you want to send the PDF. Now, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip. Click on it. A window will pop up. This is where you'll browse your computer to find the PDF you want to send. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Once you've found the PDF, select it by clicking on it, then click the Open button. You'll now see a preview of the PDF file name in the chat window. Double check this is the document you intend to send. To finalize, click the Send button. It looks like a paper plane or an arrow. And that's it. Your PDF is now being sent and should be visible in the chat for the recipient to download. The progress bar underneath indicates the upload status. Alternatively, on both Windows and Mac, you can simply drag and drop the PDF file directly from your File Explorer, that's Finder on Mac, right into the WhatsApp chat window. Whether you use the attachment icon or drag and drop, sharing PDFs from your computer to WhatsApp is a breeze. Now you can easily send documents, reports, and forms directly from your desktop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.